3. Same thing that I did with that other I-cord where I used 1. I'm using size 5mm hook. Then I'm going to go to the middle of my yarn. Then I'm going to do that twist, and once I do that twist, I'm going to hold my yarn by wrapping it twice on my hand, and with this finger and this finger I'm going to hold this part. I'm going to hold my hook like a knife. I'm going to move it forwards, go up a little bit to catch the yarn, turn my hook to face downwards, and I'm going to pass it through that loop that we made. Right, once I do that, you're going to see this yarn here on top and there's yarn at the bottom. I'm going to take the yarn at the bottom and I wrap it on my hook just like that, and now it will give me like 2 loops on my hook. I'm going to take my hook using the same motions and I'm going to pass through those 2 just like that. I'm going to put the yarn at the bottom on top again just like that, and I'm going to hook my yarn, pass it through both of them. I'm gonna do it slowly one more time. Take the yarn at the bottom, wrap it on your hook just like that. Then I'm going to hook some yarn, turn my hook to face downwards, pass it through the first one and pass it through the second one just like that. So I'm going to continue to do that until my I-cord is long enough. And for this one it was okay, so I'm going to finish it off. I'm just going to, let's just imagine that this is the length that I want. I know this is super tiny, so this is how I will end it. I'm going to cut just like that, then I'm going to pull. Right, so I'm going to pull just like that. So I can either just tie these 2 ends just like that, tie again just like that, and cut 1. You can burn this if you want to seal it off. Yeah, then I'm just going to show you a bigger one that I've made. So so this is a longer I-cord that I have made. I inserted beads at the end just for time, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it into a necklace. So let's say I want my necklace to start from here so the same length. You can just measure how the length that you want. Let's say this is around 15 centimeters, right? So yeah, yes, so I'm going to make a circle like a 6 like this. Then I'm going to take some yarn, pull it through like that, pull it through like that, take some yarn again, pull it through, take some yarn again, pull it through, take some yarn, some of that cord again, pull it through. Right, then when I have the length that I want, I'm going to put this end through here just like that. I want my beads to be soon after that end, so I'm going to pull my beads. Sorry. And these are 10mm beads. Yeah, so you can reshape it into the way that you want. You know, you can make this something like this. just like that, and you've got a cute, okay, sorry, and you've got a cute little necklace. I am out of these so at the end you can actually glue these on, then you can just put your clasp like this, and your necklace is done. And you can do different designs like this one. You put the beads in the middle,